Are you ready to get some of this tip? If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go, y'all. Today's tip is you need to hang out with people that fit your future and not your past. Stop lingering on people that doesn't elevate you, that doesn't make your life better, that doesn't put you in peace. Be around people who have the same drive as you, the same mind as you, the same heart as you, the same passion as you. That's always going to make you a better person. Don't be around people that's going to bring you down, make you frown, make you sad, okay? Well, alright guys, I hope you guys like this tip of today's video, and I hope this video will help you guys out in terms of, making the right decision in your life. Okay? Well then, without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire family where we get better, do better, and we be better. I'll catch you guys next time in the next motivation, inspirational video. Have a blessed one, have a blessed day. Blessing on blessing on blessing on blessing on blessing. Peace!